guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry I've been gone for a little bit, but today I'm going to be playing, Murder Mystery 10 with my friend, Legendary Talia, and sadly we can't recall if we don't want to, but yeah, so we're going to be playing. I do not know how to play this. I'm used to Murder Mystery 2. Which is the better murder mystery, the best one out there, but it just has a lot of toxic players, so I don't play it that much. So yeah, I'm just going to be recording. I'm going to be trying to play. You can see how trash I am at this game. But, well, you can't see it yet, but you'll be able to see how trash I am. I'm better at Murder Mystery 2. I played that. That's the first game I ever played. It's been out for years. It's yummy. Fishy, fishy, messy do. Fishy, fishy do. Fishy, fishy, fishy do. Fishy, fishy do. So, if I end up getting an adder, probably post 1 or 2 videos each month or a week, but who knows? Fishy, fishy, fishy do, fishy, fishy do. I don't know. Oh, you know and see how trash I am. Wait, oh, it's because my screen volume is off. Hendo Vlogs is here. Why did it send it twice? So, yeah, I don't know. Stop! I always say Hendo Vlogs. Fishy, fishy, fishy do, fishy, fishy do. Ah! Okay, so Kendall Vids is on my team. That's a good thing. And they changed the controls. Oh god, how do you do this? They changed the controls, bro. They legit changed the where's my mouse? Oh. So we just gotta whoop. 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 I'll just whoop. Oh, oh. Hello? Oh, oops, I forgot. I'll join in a second. Okay, guys, well, gotta go. See you guys later. Gotta go.